this lecture, I'll talk about using Panopto Capture to create lectures for your class. So in order to use Panopto Capture, you'll need to access Panopto Recordings, and Panopto Recordings will be in the left-hand menu of your Canvas course. Then you'll be taken to Panopto, and you should see your class recordings. And up here is a create icon, and you want to pull this button down. And in the pull down menu, you'll see Panopto for Mac or for Windows if you're on a PC. Instead, we're going to use Panopto Capture. Select Panopto Capture to record in the browser. So now it'll take us to the Panopto recording in the browser option. But what will happen is that you'll record, and then once you're done recording, it will record and save it to your class, and we can view it there. You can choose your audio setup. You'll notice that it has a check mark next to the audio that is being the audio input that's being used. We have a few different ones. I'm not going to use my camera application right now. It probably won't work for me because I have a few other applications using it. If this doesn't work, it may be an issue with a cookie in your browser, or you might actually just be using the camera for another application. Then for your screen shares and apps, you can choose your screens to share. If you have some applications running, then you can choose which application to run. Click on the gear in the right-hand corner, and then you can choose what type of options you want. You'll usually stay with HD. I like to have the 5-second countdown. I like a little warning there before it starts recording. For stream output, I usually capture them separately, but you can put them all into one. What'll happen is that the different streams, so if you have like a PowerPoint slide and you have a video, then it will be combined into one picture, which may be really what you want, or you can put them side by side. You can choose to blur your background or upload an image background like you could with Zoom, like you can with Zoom or Teams. A smart camera is where the camera will detect your motion a little bit and follow you around. I'll go ahead and close that out. So you start recording. I'll go ahead and make a quick record to see how it's giving me my countdown. I like that little buffer time. I'll go ahead and do a test recording. This will be my test recording 2. I hit stop. Now it will render it. You can redo your recording. That's great. You can record a new one. So if you like this one, it will save the other one and then you can start a new one. You can type a new name in here. I'll call this test 2. Notice that it's going to go into a folder. Now this is the name of my class, but when you record from your class, you'll see the name of your course. And that is how you set it up and do a recording.